If your Aura digital photo frame is not turning on, you can usually fix it by checking a few common power and system issues. Start by inspecting the power adapter and cable closely for cuts, bends, or loose connections that may stop electricity from reaching the frame. Then test the wall outlet using another device like a phone charger to make sure it's working properly. It's best to plug the frame directly into a wall socket instead of using extension boards or power strips, since unstable voltage can prevent it from starting. If the screen still stays off, unplug the frame completely, wait about 2 to 3 minutes, and plug it back in to perform a power cycle, which often clears temporary system glitches. If that doesn't help, try a hardware reset. Look for the small reset pinhole usually located on the back or bottom of the frame. Using a paperclip, gently press and hold the reset button inside for around 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and the device begins restarting. Keep in mind, this process removes all saved photos, Wi-Fi settings, and linked accounts, so you'll need to set it up again afterward. Some recent issues can also be related to photo syncing changes or software bugs, so updating the frame once it powers on is important. If the device still refuses to start after these steps, contacting Aura support is the best option for model-specific help.